Terpthon is a student-run organization that raises funds and awareness for Children's National Hospital in Washington, D.C. We are the largest student-run philanthropic organization in the state of Maryland, and we culminate in a 12-hour dance marathon to celebrate our efforts with our community.
Our dance marathon in March, just before spring break, is 12 hours to represent the 12-hour shifts that our nurses at Children's National carry out. And this is both a recognition of our fundraising and engagement efforts of students here on campus, but also of the struggle and passion and courage that our children at the hospital have gone through every single day.
Coming to UMD, it's such a large campus that I wanted to find a way to make it feel more like home. And I searched for an organization that allowed me to make an impact while also finding my second group of friends, and Terpthon was just that. We spend a lot of time together planning for all of our different events, and they truly are some of my absolute best friends, and it's just even better that we're united under a common cause.
In the past 13 years, Terpthon has been lucky enough to fundraise over $6 million for the patients and families at Children's National Hospital. At the hospital, this is manifested in a nurses station called Bear Station 1 with a plaque that recognizes Terpthon. We also have fundraised for a Hamilton transport ventilator for some of our smallest premature babies who need that kind of support when they're being transported. I think that it's really remarkable how the entire College Park community comes together to support such an amazing cause.
Dancing heals us because it brings out the inner child in us. Our whole organization is around the kids and benefiting all of these patients that are undergoing illnesses and surgeries at the hospital.